Hey, come right on in. Have a seat. Go ahead. So what's going on? What's on your mind? Man, I'm exhausted. I've been hosting conferences. I've been posting videos every day, doing lives. Creating helpful videos. People say I'm changing lives. And what about the money? It ain't changed. I'm still broke. I could barely even pay my bills. They probably might cut the lights off while we even doing this commercial. I got over 10,000 YouTube subscribers. I get great comments, everybody liking the videos, but I ain't got no money. I ain't got no income. How long have you been doing this? Truthfully, I've been doing these events for years. And I've had hundreds of people at these events. I've had people coming from all around the world coming to these events. So what did you offer them at the end? Well, I offered them a book. A book? That's it? What else was I supposed to offer? So let me get this straight. You had hundreds of warm leads, people hungry for your expertise, just sitting there right there in front of you. And all you did was offer them a $15 souvenir. No leads capture system, no sales funnel, no value ladder. I don't even know what that is. You had hundreds of people sitting right there in front of you, all ready to invest $500. Well, forget that, invest $5,000 in transformation. And the only thing that you offered them, the only thing that you left them with was a $15 paperback and a goodbye hug. Woo. I didn't know. Whew. You're not broke because you don't have an expertise. You're broke because you don't have an offer. Drop. Now you're in a broken state.